Hey, so I came across this Screencast-O-Matic screen recorder. I actually heard about it through a teaching and higher ed podcast. It's super, super easy to use. So you just go to their website. It's a free recorder, but with the free version, you can only upload up to 15-minute videos. It's good enough to get you started, but I did pay the $20 for the year. And so, paid the $20 for the year. You launch the recorder from the website, and then, it comes up, you have this little settings bar right here. You can't see it now because I'm in the middle of recording, but once I hit pause, I get my little settings bar and it gives me an option to just do a screencast or a screencast and a webcam. And then once you finish recording, it's literally a one-click upload to YouTube. So I just upload it right to YouTube, and then I get something that looks like that. Welcome to your blah blah. And then once I'm uploaded to YouTube, so what I do in YouTube is I make sure, because you know you get the weird internet trolls on there, so you just make sure to disable comments. So you go to the video editor in YouTube, and this will definitely save you a big headache. Disable comments. So there's comments and ratings, and you can disable comments and then save it, and then you go back to your videos. It's super easy to upload on YouTube. So you upload it from the Screencast-O-Matic, and then once it's done uploading, it's on your YouTube channel, and then you can just embed from YouTube. So I can just go to my videos. Now I'm in studio. You can do a whole bunch of like different editing. You can put music on there. You can cut parts out. So in some of the videos, I'm stuttering and sputtering, and I can actually cut that part out, which is really nice. I don't have to start over from scratch just because I'm stuttering for 15 seconds in the video. So view on YouTube. Once it's up in YouTube, you get auto closed captions.
Hello, everyone.
And then you also just do that, share, copy, and then you can embed into. So if I go to my modules, I'm not sure if you know how to embed, but I will show you. All right, so I would just create a new page and then edit the page and then embed, insert media. You literally just put that link there and it gives you the video, and then you don't even have to upload it. So I started using Kaltura, and there was no way that I was going to get enough videos up there. So I just upload to YouTube with Screencast-O-Matic. Hope that helps. If you do end up downloading it and you need help, definitely reach out. I have been playing with it a lot, so I'm getting kind of a little bit of a better idea of how to use it. I hope that helps.